Hello everybody. Wow, this is me. Yes, I am a little bit fat, but you're so skinny, Spidey. Bye bye.
Hello guys, and thank you for watching my channel. In this video we have this giant Spiderman play-doh surprise egg. We have this fat Spiderman, Iron Spiderman, Spiderman surprise egg. We have the squishy Spiderman. We have the skinny Spiderman and the Spiderman slime. But this is our egg. Now let's start open the egg to see what kind of surprise we have inside. And inside we have a lot of surprises. And I will start with this surprise egg. This is Ultimate Spider-Man Marvel Avengers Assemble. Let's open it up. Let's see the first surprise. And we have the Venom cat. And this is the scary Venom character from Spider-Man movie. Now the next toy, we have the Fat Spider-Man. This is a very cool piece of toy. This is Fat Spidey, and I think it's awesome. Let's see the next one. And here we have the Spider-Man Microlight toys. This is the Spider-Man Microlight toys. If you squeeze them, he light. These toys are similar with Mashem and Fashion toys, but they have light. Very cool. Now let's see the Spider-Man slime surprise. Let's open it up. And inside we have the Iron Spider-Man in slime. This is the Iron Spider-Man. And this is our slime. Super. Let's see the next surprise. And here we have the Ultimate Spider-Man Marvel Avengers Assemble. And inside we have the Spider-Man. This is the Spider-Man sitting on the wall, ready to shoot the web. Very, very cool. Let's see the next surprise. And here we have the Fat Spider-Man on his car. This is the Fat Spider-Man. This Fat Spider-Man is from the Avengers series toys, and his car is awesome, don't you think? Now the next one, we have the Spider-Man, the classic Spider-Man. Yes, I am the awesome Spider-Man, and I am the most loved superhero of all times. Let's open up the last egg and let's see. And inside we have the Black Spider-Man. This is the Black Spider-Man in action, jumping over the wall, ready to shoot the web. This is very cool. Let's see the squishy Spider-Man. This is the squishy Spider-Man. Very nice. This is our squishy Spiderman. Yes, I am Spidey. We have also the superior Spiderman. This is our superior Spiderman. Very nice. The superior Spiderman is a very nice action toy for kids, and I think is awesome. Wow, very cool Spidey. We have the skinny Spiderman. This is the skinny Spiderman. The clothes are made from plasticine, especially for this movie, and I think they look pretty cool. And the last surprise is from Marvel Ultimate Spider-Man Web Warriors. This is the blind bag. Let's open it up. And let's see. And inside we have Spider-Man 2099. This is our Web Warriors cards, but this is our Spider-Man.
Hello. Cool Spider-Man. Wow, the wall crawler. See you.
Hello guys, and thank you for watching my channel. Today we have this giant play-doh Spider-Man surprise egg. We have also Spider-Man Far From Home toy. We have the superior Spider-Man, slime Spider-Man, and Spidey on the skateboard. Now it's time to open the egg to see what kind of surprise we have inside. Now let's start open the egg to see what kind of surprise we have inside. And let's see. And wow, so many surprises. But I will start with Spider-Man Far From Home action toy. So this is Spider-Man. Let's open it up. And this is the ultimate spider wall crawler. Very, very cool action toy. You could stick this on the wall. And this is the zip line. If you press the button, the zip line come out. And this is how it works. A very cool piece of toy. This is the Spider-Man Ultimate Crawler. Now let's see the next toy. And here we have the Marvel stickers. Let's open it up. And let's see. This is our Marvel stickers. Hulk, Captain America, Iron Man, Spider-Man, Thor, and this girl. Do you know who it is? If you do, please comment in the link below. This is very cool stickers. nice. Let's see the next one. And here we have the Pocket Pop keychain Spiderman from Marvel. Let's open it up. And inside we have the little Spidey keychains. You could wear this on your keys. Very nice and cool. Go Spidey! Now the next we have a surprise egg from Marvel Ultimate Spider-Man, Marvel Avengers Assemble. Let's open it up. And inside we have, of course, Spider-Man. This is the Spider-Man. Let's see the next one. And here we have the Spiderman from Miniso. This is also a keychain, but on the back you will see we have a mirror. This is the mirror on the back. You could wear this on your bag. Very handy toy. Now the next one, it's Spider-Man slime. Let's see. And inside we have a Spidey toy. This is our Spidey from slime. Very nice Spidey. Now the next one is Squishy Spider-Man. This is the Squishy Spider-Man toy. Very nice and cool for kids. Let's see the next. And here we have a sticker patch with Spider-Man. This you could wear on your jacket. Let's open it up and let's see. This is the sticker. Oh, very cool. Very sticky. I have some made. Now let's see the little Spidey and his skateboard. This is our little Spidey. And this is his skate. Very nice and cool. We have also this cute Superior Spider-Man Bobblehead edition. Very nice. And the last one is the classic Spider-Man. This is the classic Spider-Man. All this video it's about Spider-Man. Hello guys, and thank you for watching my channel. In this video we have this giant play-doh surprise egg. This is Spider-Man Peter Parker. We have also a lot of surprise toys. So let's start open the egg to see what kind of surprise we have. Now let's start open the egg. And let's see what kind of surprise we have inside. And inside we have a lot of Spider-Man toys. And I will start with this surprise egg from Spider-Man Avengers Assemble. Let's see. And we have the classic Spider-Man. This is the classic Spider-Man. Have some. Now the next one, we have also the Spider-Man with his proto suit. We have the backpack on his back. And let's see how he shoot. This is a nice and cool action toy from Spider-Man series. The next toy is Spider-Man 2099. This is the Spider-Man 2099. Very nice and cool. Now let's open this Marvel Ultimate Spider-Man blind bag and let's see what we have inside. And inside we have the Iron Spider-Man. This is the Iron Spider-Man from Marvel Ultimate Spider-Man toys. Now let's see the next one. And here we have the classic Spider-Man. Very nice and cool one. Let's see the next surprise. And here we have another Marvel Ultimate Spider-Man Avengers Assemble surprise egg. And inside we have the Miles Morales Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse, Miles Morales. This is an eraser. You could use this character at school. Very nice. Now the next one, we have the Spidey black suit. This is the black Spidey, also with his backpack. Let's see how it works. If you press the backpack, he shoots. Nice and cool action toy also. The next one is the Superior Spider-Man. This is the Superior Spider-Man, also from Action Toy Collection. A very nice and cool toy. Yes, I am Superior Spider-Man. Let's see the next one. And here we have the Miles Morales character. This is from Action Toys series. This is the Miles Morales. Very nice and cool toy also. Next, and here we have another Spider-Man toy. head. This is fat Spider-Man, because you see it's a little bit chubby, but also very cool. Now the next one, let's see this blind bag surprise. Inside we have this Iron Spider-Man, these cards. Let's see, this is from Ultimate Spider-Man Web Warriors. Very cool. Now this is our classic Spider-Man, one of the first action toys from the series. Very nice and cool. Let's see him closer. Yes, I am Spidey. Now this, we have the Spider-Man Pocket Pop keychain from Marvel. Let's open it up and let's see. And we have a very nice keychain, Spider-Man bobblehead. You could wear it on your keys. This is very nice, very well made. The head is moving. And the last one is the Spider-Man from Titan Hero. This is the big Spider-Man. Also very nice and cool action toy. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, please thumb up. Until next time.